Hey everyone, Blake Sloan here. Brand new market update for you for August. Some very, very interesting numbers, so to speak. Just got done doing this week's radio show. The brand new numbers in and looking at single family homes last month here on the Grand Strand. Sales were down 20.4% year over year. This last month there's 406 properties, single family resale homes that sold versus 510 that sold in July of last year. The good news is median price is up 1.4% year over year at $375,000. The interesting number though, average sale price declined year over year for one of the first times we've seen in a very, very long time. Average sale price was down 1.5% last month at $446,879. If you look at month versus month, though, it drops significantly. If you look in June, June's overall average sale price was $489,610. It dropped in July to $446, a $43,000 drop. And a lot of it has to do with interest rates putting pressure in the marketplace right now. The good news is prices have been pretty resilient. If you look at that, a 20.4% drop in sales, but only 1.5% drop in prices, and median price is still climbing. The one thing protecting that right now has been supply. Only 2.8 months inventory right now. Anything 6 months or less is a seller's market. Anything 3 months or less, we like to look at as a super seller's market, meaning it's half of what even constitutes a seller's market. And so it means sellers still have the advantage right now, especially looking at seasonality about what's happening. And so we just looked here in the show, we talk about two types of numbers. Those numbers there closed last month in July, but if they close in July, they went under contract 30 to 60 days prior to that. If you track here in real time, this morning we track how many properties go under contract the previous 7-day period, and they did very, very, very well. A lot has to do with seasonality right now. In the last 7 days, there's 590 properties that went under contract here on the Grand Strand for $220,556,516. So $220 million worth of real estate went under contract last 7 days, which is awesome, awesome news. Here's the thing: a lot of high-end properties right now. We're seeing lots of money from up north come in, both cash deals, investment loans, DSCR loans. We're seeing 5 properties over $2 million went under contract last 7 days. 19 properties over $1 million. 93 properties over $500,000. Great news overall. Looking at condos, overall condos here, condo sales down 30.6%, 360 this year versus 519 last year. Median price up 4.3% at $249,200. Here's the thing: a new record right now for average sale price. Average sale price for condos year over year up 16.6%. at $300,831. That's a new record. If you look at last year in July, it was $258,000. If you look at just last month alone in June, $281,000. So a $20,000 jump between June and July. A lot has to do with also very low inventory right now at 3.2 months overall. And that's one thing you're being seeing a lot. Interest rates been driving that. Interest rate did just hit almost a 23-year high. So we'll kind of keep watching and see what's going on there with that. But one thing we need buyers. If you're thinking about selling, you'll notice in the email there's an instant cash offer you can get just by clicking the link in the email I just sent you. You can also see it here on this page that we have on our website. You can go online. We have a tool there, get an instant cash offer online. You get an online home evaluation to see where it's at. I would say, though, with all the changes right now in terms of the marketplace, you want to make sure that you're clicking that and having us be able to fine-tune that for you. But here's the thing: we need inventory. We need properties to sell. We always share, put our money where our mouth is on every show. In this week's show, we have 73,119 active home buyers, 73,119 active home buyers. And so if you're thinking about selling, don't leave it a chance, especially looking at what's happening right now in the marketplace. If it's investment property, if you inherit the property, if you're looking at relocating, don't chance that with some average agent. The average agent sells 4 homes a year. That's once per quarter. Do not gamble with your largest asset. You can reply to this email with any questions you have. Our job is here to help keep you up to date. You can see this coming in next month as well, but click the links, reach out to us, call us 843-808-SOLD, and we'll see you in next month's video.